I am Pravesh Khetrapal. I am heading legal and secretarial function of Feedback Infra Private Limited as a whole at group level. So it's good to be here to discuss my reaction on the budget and how it is helpful for the infrastructure sector. So on the infrastructure side, I am totally in and happy to say that the government has taken care on the infrastructure expenditure. Though generally we see that the budget generally does not cover the complete deficit or complete plan for the infrastructure sector, but we should have some other plans parallel to the budget. We should fund the infrastructure sector. And you know the infrastructure sector in India is a great need to make our infrastructure and standard of life for our individuals of a global standard. So next coming few years, it is must to spend high amount on the infrastructure, like it be roads, it be high agri, major irrigation part. It's a power sector, though there are a lot of development in a couple of years back. But yes, the major infrastructure needs to be developed. Even the government initiative to bring the DFI is one of the, I am very happy to say that DFI announcement, Development Finance Institution announcement by government is one of the good aspect in this budget, which will bring a good capital expenditure in the system. That point will cover that the budget announcement capital expenditure is not the only thing, but DFI like institution will help to fill that gap for the capital expenditure. Infrastructure sector expenditure, though it's a big amount, that cannot be covered with the expectation of high returns of the infrastructure. So probably this development finance institution will help to fill that gap where the economic return is higher than the financial return, and it will for the benefit of the nation. So on the DFI side, I would like to say that this was one of the most important aspect that has been introduced by this budget, and that was the need of the hour. Even we were discussing, there were few talks before budget also where people were expecting, our economists and industrialists were expecting for introduction of DFI. Even the long back we have seen in 1960s, 70s when the ICICI has come and the IDBI come, they were like DFI, and they had been introduced in the system before becoming bank to help the infrastructure sector. Generally we see that the infrastructure sector funding cannot be completed through the budget announced through the capital budget announced in the yearly budget, but DFI will help to spend that money to cover that gap. Now the question comes that the initial DFI money has been allocated is the 20,000 crore and 5 lakh crore for next 3 years. Is it sufficient amount, and why that 20,000 crore has been, just my analysis in that, why that 20,000 crore has been given for the initial year? So I understand that's the start. And giving 20,000 is a small money, no doubt, but in the time to come, that 5 lakh, raising the 5 lakh crores, it will be a small money. So I understand the Development Financial Institution is coming to be a big lending institution for the infrastructure sector, where the returns will be low, no doubt, because it will be 100% government-owned fund. Returns will be low, but it will be for the benefit of India, benefit of nation, which will be decided as a national need, and high priority project probably will be decided out of this development finance institution funding. Government has announced that NHAI and PGCIL, then they will have one sponsored InvIT, so which will help to raise the funds and to spend in the capital expenditure in the country. Government will come with the project which are not the politically motivated, but they will come for the project for funding which are of national need, which are of high multiplier by making the cost benefit analysis, and which have the high economic returns. I think that's all about the DFI, and we hope that the announcement made by the finance minister will typically come on the ground and will achieve the benefit for that. Thank you.